Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Ads Exchange crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in adsexchange.in and click on enter. Now, you will be directed to official homepage of Ads Exchange Crypto. At the right hand side of your screen, you can see login button. Click on it. Now you will be directed to a login page where you need to type in your valid email ID which is associated with your Ads Exchange account. After that, type in a password here. You can click on this I button to ensure that you have typed your password correctly. Now enter the CAPTCHA by taking reference of these letters here. If it is too hard for you to understand, you can click on this button and it will be regenerated. After that, you can click on this button to log into your Ads Exchange crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to recover it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.